In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow to any text in Wix. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to get that clean neon look using Wix Studio's built-in tools. Start by opening your project in Wix Studio and click directly on the text you want to enhance. You should see the text become active with a cursor or selection box. This tells Wix Studio you're editing that specific element. When the text is selected, look to the right side of your screen. That's where the inspector pane lives. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure your text is still selected. The inspector automatically updates to show options for whatever you've clicked. Inside the inspector, head to the Design section. This is where you control how your text looks. Separate from what the text actually says. Within Design, go into the Styles section. You'll see a row of icons representing different visual treatments. Locate the last icon in this section. This is the one that adds a border effect to your text. Go ahead and select it. The border outlines each letter, and that outline is exactly what we'll use to simulate a glow. Now, choose a bright, high-energy color for the border. Neon shades work especially well. Think electric blues, hot pinks, vibrant greens, or bright purples. The goal is contrast and luminosity, so pick a color that stands out against your existing design. As soon as you select a bold color, you'll notice the text takes on a glowing feel because the outline visually radiates from the letter forms. For a stronger glow impression, a dark background makes a huge difference. Light on dark creates that classic neon on night effect. So if your page or section already uses darker tones, the glow will immediately pop. If your site style is lighter overall, you can still achieve a tasteful glow. Just be sure the color you choose is vivid enough to create separation from the background so the effect doesn't get lost. That's all there is to it. Click the text, open the inspector on the right, go to Design, then Styles, select the last icon to apply a text border, and pick a bright or neon color to bring your letters to life. It's a quick, reliable way to add personality, draw attention to key headlines, and give your design a modern, energetic finish without extra plugins or complicated settings. Try a couple of colors to see what best complements your brand, and you'll have glowing text that looks crisp and intentional in just a few clicks.